In front of me is Motorola Moto G30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to go into privacy section. Then select permission manager and pick any feature to manage, like location. Now click on one of your apps and pick one of those options to apply the best one. Then go back. As you can see after that, calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. If you want to, you can also tap on an app and instead of applying one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!